Willkommen zur Geistesstunde Session 9 Halloween-Zeit. Ich mache jetzt eine Challenge für meinen YouTube-Kanal. Wir spielen einmal Zombies, Untotenbelagerung. Wir werden jetzt einmal alles durchspielen. Tutorial, das wird das erste Video. Dann Untotenbelagerung einfach. Dann Untotenbelagerung schwer und Untotenbelagerung Albtraum. Aber ich mache das getrennte Video. Ja, und wenn euch das gefallen hat, hinterlasst ein Abo und ein Like. So, dann let's go. Wählen und go. Boah, ja. Ein 80 besiegt. Spaß beiseite. Go die landen. So, Mr. X.
All right, I've gone through the data. The ether in this universe is quite condensed and highly unstable. It seems to be affecting the weather. Of course. Because of ether, the undead are drawn to us during these nightly storms. We need to clear this crystal fast.
So möchten wir einmal die Zombies.
It won't only be just a few
hier
enemies
hin
on us once
bewegen.
night falls. So go. Bring me material we can actually use. Very nice. It looks like this universe has plenty to offer after all. At this rate, these will not only repair the temple, it's dark. A storm is coming, and there will be many strong enemies outside the base.
Was passiert
You
denn
need to
jetzt?
return now. My latest masterpiece is finally ready for field testing. This shield will protect you from the storm, so long as you remain in its perimeter. Now, feast your eyes on your new automated defense turret system. A pinnacle of my genius and your heart. This feature is the one thing in this wretched place that doesn't require. Just as I thought, there's going to be more of them attacking at night. Take good care of the control center. I'll focus on repairing the teleporter. I've added ether energy parameters to the turret's auto-aiming system, so it can automatically target these creatures. You'll want to adjust the turret position to ensure they have the best
Meine
position.
Kätzchen, kommt her und füttert mich mal. Also, hier bin ich.
The turret has been damaged. Enemies have broken down the facilities outside the control center. Don't just sit where you're done, but keep your guard up. My scans are detecting more monsters. I took a crack at creating upgrade blueprints. Here,
Mach mal
you can
Geschütz
try
oder
using collected
Granatengeschütz.
components to upgrade your turret. When all else fails, do what I often do in these situations. More enemies are appearing on the radar. Keep going. The ether energy connector is working now. And keep it from being destroyed.
Oh,
Wait a minute. I found the coordinates of our target
das
universe.
schaffst du mal.
It's as if there's an energy radiating from it.
Oh shit. Lass ihn in Ruhe. Lass mein Portal in Ruhe. Lass mein Portal in Ruhe. Jetzt sag mir mal, habt ihr es bei euch? Oh, wie das ein Gesicht, das schaut mich an.
New portal
Ein
is
neues
open.
Portal hat sich geöffnet, Männer. Wir können nach Hause. Endlich, so mein Schatz, die Frau gehe ich. Also für meine Familie.
Wait, stop! It's not for us to go
Oh nee,
out.
weil das ist
It's
kein
for
Ausgang,
something
es
to
ist
come
ein
in.
Eingang.
Gypsy, Nikolai,
Was?
prepare to rain
Nächste Monster
fire down upon the intruders.
Dem Sie viel Glück beim nächsten Mal, Anfänger. Gut. Nächstes. Dann gehen wir so. Okay. Gebe ich mir mal selber eins Like. So.